Style. Maintain professionalism. You have about 3 seconds to hook your readers and get them reading. After your headline, it's up to your first sentence to do the job. Never mislead your headline, and the first sentence should take the reader smoothly to your main points. But do say something that makes people pay attention towards your content. Now, at times it is important to have the personal touch with the audience, but not always. Try maintaining not being too casual because it's a formal mode of communication which should have focus on your audience as well. Your content can attract a non-interested prospect and engage the interested one. So we know the strategies of inbound marketing. How a stranger becomes a customer and he also becomes a promoter. So a non-interested customer, a non-interested prospect who is viewing your content, he gets impressed where at the stage of awareness, you're promoting your content there. Looking at that, he becomes a customer at the last. And the people who are already interested in, you can have the engagement factor. A strict no profanity or swearing or avoid any personal opinions while focusing on your content. Strict no profanity, no abusive language, and don't use other languages also. So most of the people they have an habit of using regional languages when they are focusing on one particular language. If you are writing English, let the entire flow of your article be only English. Yes, it is good to have a regional language, but too much of anything will spoil your content. Avoid repeating the same context or point. As I told you, avoid too much of anything. Don't keep on writing the same content again and again. Don't focus on the same keywords again and again. Don't use the same images. So too much of anything could distract your audience. Avoid too many graphics. Yes, it is important for images which act as a part of content writing, but too many images or graphics can turn down the situation. Avoid using high vocabulary or too many other languages words. Maintain simple yet attractive or interesting content. So keep it in a very simple understanding English because you're not only catering to the US client or the UK client, you are able to cater to the entire world. And the people talk English in different way. So if you keep it simple, most of the people will able to understand what you're trying to communicate there. Avoid plagiarism. Always focus on your unique content rather than the copied content. Google will consider the genuine content rather than focusing on plagiarism content, for which you can use tool called Duplichecker. So that tool will really tell you how genuine is your content, how duplicated your content is. Quality of good writing. First and foremost thing, my content should be unique or non-copied content. And unique in the sense it has a lot of other factors also. What you're trying to communicate and what is your goal, what is your end result, and whom you're targeting. So your content should be unique. First thing, it shouldn't be a copied content and it should be totally a different style. So you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. People talk on the same topic, but the way of delivery will be different. The content that they give is different. The example that they use is different. It should be relevant to the topic. Please stick on to your topic. Don't deviate from away from your topic. Okay. If you're talking about business management, talk about that business management throughout the model. So never miss the flow. Give a proper title, introduction, pointers, sub-pointer, and have a conclusion of business management only. For example, verify. You should always cross-verify and check and proofread your content if it is good or not. Please also use the powerful tools like Duplichecker. Check whether the content is really genuine or not. It should be well written, guys. So the quality of the good content should be well written, structured, it should be on a flow. Mention the source of knowledge. Suppose you might have got infused by a particular blog or an article. Now what you have to do, suppose if you're not sure what are the content that I'm trying to convey here, I'm not sure about it. So on such scenario, what you can do, you can give the source of knowledge there. Your content should be exciting always. which will create an exciting factor which will put a smile on your customer's face. At last, concluded, which is equally important because you have given an introduction, you have given the pointers. Now, what is your conclusion? By this, I conclude we have to use this product or don't use this product, or you can give something in generic. Clarity. A good content writer always makes sure that the reader is clear about his vision, goal. Stick to the topic with the best of examples and relate with lot of examples, and along with the examples, talk to the audience with the real-time statistical data. Maintain the hierarchy and the flow. Be loud and clear about what you are addressing to. Flow of an article, blog, or a story matters a lot. So please focus on your clarity and whom you are addressing to.